Hello, I'm Stone Oak Valley and welcome to the next episode of Unpacking My Treasures. So if you haven't watched episode 1, you should check that out if you want. Since this is like a general intro I use for all the other episodes, I have no idea what box I'm at. So you have to check the title or whatever. So let's just go straight to the case and unpack the next box. Hello and welcome to episode 11. And on this box it says Amiga hardware plus accessories plus C64 floppy drive. Uh-oh. And the reason for uh-oh is, well, we will see in about a minute. So first off we have a Commodore 1541. I had also a different one. The same model in a different episode. That box was also Commodore accessories. Yeah, but this one is also working just like the previous one. And yeah, there isn't much more to say about this. I have two of these. And the next item, that's a good old authentic Amiga floppy, external drive. And this is not my original. I never had one of these, so I can't recall where it came from, but it's been in my possession for many years. Amiga 1010 external 3.5 disk drive, but it's working. I have used it and it's such a great classic item. And now we're gonna go to the moment, and that's because this box is empty. Yeah, that was the quickest episode ever, I guess, but this is what happens when you have boxes. And yeah, you are in a growing situation, right? The collection is growing, and it so happens to be that this box was assigned for Amiga hardware and accessories. Well, I guess I have to buy some more accessories then. I think there are probably some things I had back in the day. I can't recall actually. I think I pretty much have gathered all my teenage years Amiga hardware things. So who knows? Well, the box is here, and it can be filled up with the goodies in the future. So that's it for episode 11, the shortest in the series, I think. And I will just see you in episode 12.